Contract law. Misrepresentation and rescission example case. Salt v. Stratstone Specialist Limited T. A. Stratstone Cadillac Newcastle, 2015. Welcome back to Case Briefs. Today, we're exploring another landmark case that shaped modern contract law, Salt v. Stratstone Specialist Limited, 2015. This case dealt with misrepresentation, the right to rescind a contract, and the limits of remedies available under the Misrepresentation Act 1967. If you're curious about how the courts tackle fairness in misrepresentation claims, stick around. Introduction, definition. First, let's clarify the concept of misrepresentation. In legal terms, misrepresentation occurs when one party makes a false statement of fact that induces another party to enter into a contract. The remedy for misrepresentation often includes rescission, which aims to return both parties to the position they were in before the contract was made. But what happens when time has passed or the item in question has depreciated? That's exactly what the court addressed in Salt v. Stratstone Specialist. 1. Case background. In 2007, Mr. Salt purchased a luxury Cadillac car from Stratstone Specialist Limited. The dealership advertised the car as brand new, but it turned out to be far from it, defective and previously owned. Mr. Salt, unhappy with the purchase, sought to rescind the contract and recover his payment. 2. Facts of the case. The car was sold as brand new, but was, in fact, defective. After the purchase, Mr. Salt realized the truth and decided to terminate the agreement. The dealership argued that rescission was barred because the car had been used and depreciated over time. The dealership also claimed that damages under Section 2(2) of the Misrepresentation Act 1967 should replace rescission. 3. Nature of the case. This case falls under contract law, specifically focusing on the doctrine of misrepresentation and the equitable remedy of rescission. The primary question was whether rescission could still be granted despite the passage of time and the car's depreciation in value. 4. What are the legal issues? The case brought up several important legal issues. 1. Can rescission be granted even when the subject matter has been used and depreciated? 2. Does a delay in seeking rescission automatically bar the remedy? 3. When is it appropriate to award damages in lieu of rescission under Section 2(2) of the Misrepresentation Act 1967? 5. Court judgment. The Court of Appeal ruled in favor of Mr. Salt, allowing rescission of the contract. The court held, depreciation in value does not bar rescission. Equitable compensation can address such losses. The delay was justified because Mr. Salt only became fully aware of the misrepresentation during pre-trial disclosure. Damages under Section 2(2). These damages are only available if rescission is still possible. If rescission is barred, damages cannot replace it. The presiding judge, Lord Justice Longmore, remarked, "The aim of rescission is to restore parties to their pre-contractual position, and practical justice can often overcome the complications of restitution." 6. Similar cases. Other cases that explore similar themes include Limited v. Caldwell, 1965. Rescission was upheld when a party acted promptly after discovering misrepresentation. Howard Marine and Dredging County Limited v. Ogden & Sons Limited, 1978. This case explored the burden of proof under the Misrepresentation Act 1967. These cases collectively emphasize the court's willingness to prioritize fairness in misrepresentation disputes. Seven. Implications and precedents. Rescission is flexible. Depreciation and use of an item do not automatically preclude rescission. Practical justice prevails. Courts are willing to find equitable solutions, such as financial adjustments, to achieve fairness. Damages under Section 2(2). The ruling clarified that these damages are only awarded if rescission remains possible. Case summary. In summary, Salt v. Stratstone Specialist Limited, 2015, reinforced the importance of rescission as a remedy for misrepresentation, even in challenging circumstances. By focusing on fairness and equity, the court provided much-needed clarity on the application of the Misrepresentation Act 1967 and the boundaries of its remedies. Misrepresentation cases like this one remind us how critical fairness is in contract law. If you've learned something new today or have questions about similar legal principles, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more legal insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.